We don't accept resumes. They're all lies. So don't send me your resume. I'm not interested. Send me a 60-second video holding your phone horizontally. Do not send me a vertical video. I'm very specific. I'll reject it immediately and send it back to shoot it horizontally. Think about how you look at your computer screen. Think about how you watch a movie theater. You don't walk into a movie theater and the screen's up like this. We watch movies horizontally, not vertically. Send me a 60-second video. Tell me about yourself. So this is what it sounds like. Hey, my name's Paul Akers. I was born in San Diego. I had great parents, come from a middle-class family. I went to Kearney High School. My first job was working for Bob Taylor, building guitars. And then I decided, finally got my head screwed on straight, went back to college at 20, struggled all through college, started my own cabinet making business. And then at 37, I invented a product called the Fastcap, and I started this business. And it was really tough in the beginning. Now we're all over the world. I love working with people. I love creating new projects. I love innovations. I love exploring. And that's who I am. Yep. 60 seconds. Just tell me a little bit about yourself. Just enough for me to get a feel of who you are. Yeah. Send me that video on WhatsApp, Signal, Voxer, text message. Don't send me a freaking email. I don't want to see an email. And it's all a test. It's all a test to see if you can listen and do something very basic.
Very good.
And more importantly, it's a test to see whether or not you're willing to try something new, because nobody asked for this, right? This is something, who asked for, nobody asked for that. Richard Branson is not telling people send me a video resume and send it directly to my cell phone so I can figure out whether I want to hire you. You know what I'm trying to say? So it's a test, and we do everything differently. They send us that weeds out at least 50, 60% of the people, because most people are not willing to do that. And then I know immediately they're an innovator. They're willing to try something new. They're teachable. And then if I like them, we bring them in for an interview. If we like them then we offer them a test day. We pay them for the day. They work with all of our people. At the end of the day, we bring all of our people in, not the candidate. We bring all the people in. Did you like this person? Do you want to work with them? And if we don't get 100% from the 8 or 9 people that work with them, we won't offer them any more than that. If 100% of our people say, yes, this person's a hard worker, they're asking good questions, they're curious, we offer them a test week. We still have not hired them. They work for a week. They're with all of our people. We're putting them from station to station, area to area. We bring all the people in. We say, should we hire this person? Well, they're always looking at their phone, or they're doing this. They really didn't ask good questions. Thanks, Bob. It was great. It's not a good fit for you. We don't hire them, or we hire them. And it's a bulletproof system. It's virtually bulletproof, and it works for us. And that's what we do. It's very